much in the building.
Absolutely.
It looks like we're about ready to go.
So lane 4 is the Jamaican team, full Jamaican team, running against their countrymen on the first 2 legs. But hoping to see, a split time of 45 low for the first leg and averaging 44s for the rest of the crew here.
Final event of this New Life Invitational 2024. Thank you once again to all of our sponsors, as Thompson Trading and Gatorade, the Ministry of Tourism, of course the government of the Bahamas, the Ministry of Youth, Sports and Culture, to all of our volunteers.
All 3 teams ready. So is the starter.
On your mark.
Here we go. 2:59.12 of Zambia. The time to beat. France 15th place this year at 2:58.45. And they'll stand him up. The suspense will build just a little bit more. And here we go, a race against time for Team Jamaica, ranked 17th on the outside looking in at the Paris 2024 Games at 2:59.34. They need 2:59.12 to punch their ticket for now.
Seem to be going out at a good pace, 20.9 or so at the 200 mark. Very solid start for the first 2.
And again, that's Barbados on the outside, Jamaica's A team in the middle, and an all-star team that is on the inside. You hear the horns as the Jamaican crowd tries to push their team forward onto Paris. And through the opening leg, so far so good.
Yeah. About a 45 mid split on the leadoff leg. It's exactly what they need.
So Barbados following behind Jamaica, the all-star team of multiple nationalities, in third. And at some point here, Jamaica's going to have to motivate themselves just a little bit. This will get tougher as they continue to gap the rest of this field and run by themselves. So we're continuing to watch the clock here.
Yeah, they'd be looking for about a split time to be under 130 at the halfway mark, but they look to be right at that, or just about, maybe a hair over 130 right now.
About 129 high, maybe right over 130 for Team Jamaica. Again, Zambia with the last qualifying time at 2:59.12, holding that last ticket to Paris.
They're certainly making a go for it. Beautiful first half of this leg here for Jamaica.
And this is going to be close.
This is going to be close. We'll be on the edge of the seat here for this one. They're putting themselves in position to hit this time, that's for sure.
So Team Jamaica is trying to go from paradise to Paris. Onto the anchor leg, right on schedule. Right on the edge at 2:14 and 2:15.
Yep. So
it comes down to the anchor leg. 2:59.34, the best time this year for Jamaica. They will send every other relay to Paris. Can they send this 4x4 as well? Into the final 200. They need 2:59.11 to knock Zambia out. It's going to be very close inside the final 100. Jamaica, a race against the clock, doing a lot of work by themselves here tonight. They need 2:59.11.
Oh, and they're close.
Just outside of the time they needed.
Looks unofficially 2:59.78, but boy, what a go. They made a great run at it. Mad respect to them running that essentially solo.
2:59.75, just off of Zambia and best off of their best time of 2:59.34.
Yeah, great effort and great job by Coach Mark Elliott, the head coach for Jamaica, putting this team together. Tough to do it without the likes of Antonio Watson, but these guys, mad respect for them. They made a really good go at it. Get sub-3 on a solo run is pretty impressive.
On your marks.
So Ackera Nugent of Jamaica, the runner to watch in 6, the 3-time NCAA champion for Arkansas.
Yes, sir.
Clean start of the women's 100-meter hurdles, and first over that first hurdle is Charisma Taylor, but here comes Ackera Nugent, the 3-time NCAA champion, makes it look easy. Initial reading is 12.5 for the Jamaican, and it is 12.54 for Nugent, just 200ths off of her season's best.
Very solid run there, even eased down across the line. She's got to be happy with that performance. Going into the Jamaican trials, she's primed to make the team. Just really sharp race here.
We'll have a quick interview with Ackera Nugent.
Right foot leading the way, followed by the left. Taylor was second. Paula Vasquez does improve 13.16, so that will go in there instead of the 13.44 for her 5-time average. That will raise her up the rankings perhaps just a little bit. And in the women's 100-meter hurdles.
Okay, I'm here at the NACAC New Life Invitational here with Ackera Nugent. She's the champion here at the Invitational. Ackera, tell us, how do you feel? You were the NCAA champion in the 100-meter hurdles. So tell us, how do you feel here in the Bahamas?
I feel like I'm in really good shape and I'm where I need to be. I just needed to get another hurdle race in before the trials. So I'm pleased with my time and my performance today.
That's awesome. The Jamaica's trial is in 2 weeks. So tell us what you're hoping. You're hoping to be on that road to Paris, on that Jamaica extravagant team.
Well, yeah, I'm hoping to be on the team. You know, Jamaica is known to have some of the best hurdlers there is, but I have to focus on me going into this national trials and just be patient and confident in who I am.
Well, we're very happy for you. You're the champion here at this NACAC New Life Invitational, and we wish you all the best at your Jamaica Invitationals and championships. We know you'll do well. Back to you.
All right, thank you so much, Philippa. Ackera Nugent.